Hi, I'm Chef Shenarri Greens, and I am making a palm cake today here at Cadence in New York. This is our palm cake. It's made out of chickpeas and hearts of palm. We have some seaweed in there as well to give it kind of like that seafood flavor, a little bit of umami in there as well. And we also have some Old Bay, a little bit of seasoning. We bind this together with a little bit of aquafaba, which is chickpea water. So that's going to be the binding agent and kind of replace eggs for this patty. And we bread it with breadcrumbs. So it's going to have like a nice crispy texture and be very similar to a crab cake. So I'm going to fry this. I hate getting burnt, so just hate oil sometimes. Okay. So our palm cake is frying. As I mentioned, we like to patty this up and bread it, and this has to sit in the fridge a little bit just so that it can maintain texture and hold a little bit longer. And then we deep fry it, and then we plate it with a little bit of slaw made with some zucchini, carrots, and onions, and we toss that in a chipotle aioli that we make here in house as well. And then we just finish it off with a little bit of extra aioli to make sure that it's very well seasoned and delicious and all that. I just know when to take it out. So funny. This is what it looks like coming right out of the fryer, and I'm just gonna hit that with a little bit of Maldon salt right there, and then we're ready to plate. A little bit of that slaw that I was mentioning. We have the zucchinis, the carrots, some red onions, and that is all just grated down together into a bowl, and then we add in our aioli there. To plate this, I'm gonna take a good amount. And because this is like a seafood dish, we actually have kind of like a clamshell for the plate, which is really fun and exciting, at least for me. All right, and this is our palm cake, so that goes right on top there. And we're gonna hit this with a little bit of microgreens here. It's almost like making like a little like nest, a little food nest. All right. So got that right there. Last but not least, we have a little bit of extra aioli, so we just go in. All right. And that is our palm cake.